The idea was to try and create two very different experiences. This side is to be very much a quieter experience, something that, where people can be more meditative and walk around and enjoy the nature around them. And the one in the escarpment side is more of a light and sound. So very, very different concepts. If you're staying here and you're passing through, or you will see a glow of light from a distance. The important thing is it will allow people to have a walk around this beautiful lake and then discover it, and it's big enough for people to spend quite a lot of time there. I do like working on scale, so we've got a large installation, different artworks again in America, in California, and then we have a large one in Uluru. We're just about to do quite a large one in Japan, and then this will be the fourth. But these are two very important pieces for me because they're it's a different landscape, and it's work that I've been working on recently. Look, these sort of areas will be discovered now because a lot of our focus in the UK and in Australia and everywhere is people going away for their holidays. I think there's a great opportunity for people to discover their own country. The other excellent thing is, Australia is very, it's a long way for Europeans to come here, but I think once we get things back on track again, there's going to be an opportunity for people from other parts of the world to come and not just focus on the main cities. They have it all, but so it's one of those things you've got to tell people what it's like, when you come to places like this. So that's part of what I enjoy about working in new places like this, because it helps me tell the story about new places that I get to see.